Hello, my dear YouTube family. Good morning. This is Paltan from North Bengal Alipurdwar. Welcome again a new video. So today in this video, I will show after 6 months how to fruiting my papaya garden. Okay, I will show my all the plants one by one. So be with me first to last. You can see these plants might be uh, 4 feet already starting to fruiting. You can see. And now I am showing by back camera. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay. Weather also cloudy. Videos doesn't be clear. You can see plants are very nice, but I can't maintain properly. Nowadays I am very busy for my new gardening project. There are grass grown very long. My mommy also wrapping for cow. You can see there. And you can see there soils are very dry, not be raining from many days, from 1 month. I need to watering after some time to the plants. You can see all the plants starting to flowering, and there have some vegetables. My mummy planted this vegetable. Oh, you can see their soils are very dry. Immediately I have to watering. My God. You know, papaya farming also easy than others crop. You can see fruiters, very nice. So my dear YouTube family, if you like to do papaya garden, call me. I have available papaya plant. Okay, so let's go to see new papaya plant. There is my more papaya tree and plant already starting to flowering. And now let's go to see my new papaya plant. You can see these are red lady variety, red lady from Taiwan, and these are Vienna Amina variety, almost ready to gardening. Vienna Amina variety. So if you need original hybrid papaya plant, call me. You can get my contact number in description. Okay.